This is one of the craziest games I have ever seen. The Knicks in Atlanta taking on the Hawks. Fourth quarter action, Dwight Howard throwing down the slam to take the lead. 6 seconds left. Melo's gonna drive right, and he makes the tough layup, and maybe that should have been an and one. In overtime, Melo fading in the post. Porzingis is cheering from the bench because he fouled out of this game. Schroeder slashing, taking the lead in overtime with 22 seconds to go. The Knicks go to Carmelo, a step back over Tim Hardaway Jr. His headband came off and there was no foul. In double overtime, it's Paul Millsap pulling up. He had a mean mismatch. Carmelo Anthony's gonna pop a three over two players like it's nothing. He's doing his signature celebration. He dropped 45 points in this game, but they can't keep Schroeder out of the lane. And that's an and one. Carmelo Anthony fouls out of the game. Double overtime, Courtney Lee to save the day. Splash! From way downtown. Dwight Howard can't believe it. Nobody can believe it. We're going to a third overtime, and in the third overtime is Paul Millsap making his splash. You can't leave him wide open. He had 37 points and 19 rebounds. The Knicks struggling with Schroeder, another layup to send it to the fourth overtime, and in the fourth overtime it's Bazemore letting it fly, but then they would exchange threes back and forth. Jennings step back splash. You think maybe the Knicks had control? They don't. It's a tie game. Millsap on the glass. Hook shot for the lead. 27 seconds left. The Knicks are going to Courtney Lee. They're down by 3. Inbound. He catches it with momentum. The three to tie is soft. Rebound. He gets one more chance in the corner. Pump fake. He's wide open now. Oh, that would have been 5 overtimes. Finally, somebody loses. What a game. Sean Livingston just stripping them dirty, and then Iggy gets the and one. It was the defense early on. Klay Thompson with the block on Lillard. They're going the other way. Huge first half lead for the Warriors. Kevin Durant easily laying that one up and in. But in the fourth quarter,